Meaning of flip chart.
Flip chart.
Flip chart.
Flip chart.
Flip chart. A flip chart is a large pad of paper that is typically attached to an easel and used for presenting information in a visual format. It can be flipped up or down to reveal new pages, allowing the user to create a series of images or diagrams in real time. Flip charts are commonly used in educational, business, and training settings to convey complex ideas and engage audiences in interactive discussions. They are a versatile and practical tool for facilitating group communication and problem solving.